This is not the first video on BeerCoin on this channel. We talked about this twice already. The price is now going up 60% today alone. Let's have a look at the on-chain data to determine how much longer this rally could last. Who's buying here? Who's selling here? Who's driving the prices right now? So here's the stats on the first video. Published 7 days ago. Initially, nobody was interested in BeerCoin whatsoever, but this is now changing. Now the video is an outperformer versus a regular video because the price is increasing. Here's the second video, also starting rather slowly. At the first video, we were at 0.14 cents. At the second video, we were at 0.17 cents. And so there we go. Now we are at 0.33 cents, more than a doubling within a week. And so let's have a look at that on-chain data. We had a massive influx of first-time traders on the 26th of May. This is just prior to the launch on CoinMarketCap. Afterwards, for most of the days, the number of first-time traders slightly exceeded, maybe equaled the number of recurring traders. You do want to see as many new people as possible jumping on a project because as there's more people in a token, there's also more capital that tends to move up the price. If it's just recurring traders trading against one another, then the price doesn't necessarily grow anymore, right? We need to see new people jumping in. And so when we look at today, it seems like there's not much activity yet, but the number of recurring traders is roughly 33% larger than the number of first-time traders. Why is that? The answer is that right now, as of recording of this video, activity in crypto is relatively low. We are now in the morning hours of Asia, so most people here have to work. The people in Europe are sleeping, the people in the US are sleeping, and so there's simply just the recurring traders, potentially the automated traders, right, the trading bots that are currently active. There's not a lot of new people jumping on this. Let me show you this with the number of new traders by trading hour. So there we go. This is the last 3 days, and this is the number of first-time traders per hour. And this tends to be very low around midnight UTC, a few hours after midnight UTC. So we've got a very clear wave pattern over here. Currently, we are again very early in the day. Not a lot of new people jumping in yet. And so the price isn't currently rising. The price tends to rise roughly 20 hours after recording of this video. So that's 8 p.m. Asia time, 2 p.m. Europe time, and maybe 8, 9 a.m. US time, depending of course where you are in the US. Something has fundamentally shifted in BeerCoin when we compare the prior run to the run we see currently. In the prior run, a lot of whales bought into the token. Now we see retail taking over. Check this out. This is the daily trading volume by trader segment. We are now just looking at the whales and at large retail. So that's all the wallets that have at least $100,000 worth of the token. A lot of transactions on the 26th of May and much less transactions on the 4th of June. When we segment the trading volume by the smaller holders, so that's all the wallets below 10,000, what we see is that the second elevation, so on the 4th of June, was actually larger than the first. So again, compare those two, we are seeing that now it's retail that's taking over. Retail bought into this rally, and that also explains the heightened trading volume, the heightened activity. This is in general healthy because the more retail people are jumping on this, the better. If it's just the whales that pump, they might also decide to quickly dump if retail doesn't follow. But we're now seeing that retail is following, thus I also do not expect that the whales will dump anytime soon, at least if we don't see another 2 or 3x in the next few days. If we of course see that massive of a rally, then it always makes sense to take profit as well. People always look at the current price relative to the entry price, and if the price goes up too fast, then people do take profits, and then a very quick dump can also happen. If we tend to go up rather slowly, that's potentially healthy. I will continue to make updates on BeerCoin, so feel free to subscribe. A like would be very much appreciated as well. It helps the channel grow. Feel free to also join our free Telegram. Link is down below. If you want to know when I buy something, feel free to also join the premium membership. Link is also down below. Looking forward to seeing you there.